Hey boss, who am I fighting today? You'll be fighting... let me see. You'll be fighting Exploding TNT. Well, he's like a pretty cool guy. So, when's gonna be the match? Tonight at SmackDown at 7 o'clock, 7:30, after Sonic and Rabbitron fight it out. So, yeah. This match is set for a fall. Tonight on SmackDown, first entering the ring is Exploding TNT. Yeah. Next entering the ring, the man from the deep darkness, the man with no face, the Undertaker.
Alright, I want a clean fight. Nothing but blood, or you're disqualified. Fight.
John Cena!
3, 2, 1. Exploding TNT wins.